Vinayakaya Namaha.
Dadaji, Dadaji, why you always sitting here and praying to Ganesh Bhagwan? You never play with us anymore. I'm sure Ganpi Bappa doesn't mind if you come and play with us sometimes. All my friends are waiting for you because you're the only one that they can bowl out very quickly.
Avinash, but can't you see I'm just about to begin the puja? And you know, you're too mad about cricket. Cricket is all about money nowadays. Not like when I used to play. But cricket is not a culture or a religion. It's not even part of our climate where it is too hot. When I used to study medicine in England, I also was a mad cricketer like you. But there the climate is much better. The ball swings much more there than here in this hot climate. And nobody is after the game now. Everybody is after the money only. Tell me one thing. How can you play cricket in just 20 overs?
Avinash beta, your Dadaji is right. You're wasting all your time playing this stupid cricket and not doing your homework.
Look, I have said just the first prayers before the puja. I cannot interrupt to come and play with you now. Now you are here, you should also join me for the puja.
Yes.
After that I'll play with you.
I don't care. I want to play cricket all the time and be like Dhoni. Sit there.
You will be Dhoni, but only if you pray to Siddhi Vinayak. So, come.
But better after you come and play with us. If you not come and play with us after the puja, I'll never do my homework again.
Agreed. Come on, let us start. Yes, for you. Shanti, come here, have some prasad. Have it, it's for you also.
Dadaji, come quickly. We are going to start the inning once again. And you're batting first.
Oh, kid, I'll just change and come. Look, Shanti, just because you have married a Muslim boy, don't feel that we have anything against you at all. Your husband is as much a part of our family. And whatever we can do to help you, we shall always do.
You know, my husband has been jobless for a while now. He's only a cleaner in an ordinary tea shop in our locality where he hardly gets 1,000 rupees a month. This is even less than what you pay me. And our parents and family are not helping us because I married a Muslim and he married a Hindu. It is so difficult to even find a small place to stay.
Don't worry, Shanti. Let me see what I can do to help you. Oh yes, I can talk to the personal manager in the hotel where I'm a medical consultant. Let me see if I can get him a job in the housekeeping department. I'm sure they will pay him at least 5 to 7,000 rupees a month.
Thank you so much, Dr. Saab. That will be a great help to the two of us.
Oh, I remember, I have to go and play with this boy. He has been pestering me all the morning. You know, I shall go and play with him and get out very quickly.
Shanti, don't worry. My husband will definitely get a job for Ali somehow. You know so many good people in Mumbai who will help a nice Muslim boy like Ali. You know, I had such a problem in London with my husband. He was always out treating poor black patients and homeless people, even at midnight. I got so angry because he was spoiling his own health.
Thank you so much, madam. You two are so kind to me. Even more than my parents.
I told you that you should bet only for 1 or 2 overs and then get bowled out or gives an easy catch.
I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry, beta. You know, beta, I was thinking about something else and batting. Just like I did in my college days. I was thinking how Shanti came into the room when we were doing puja. Hope husband gets a better job this time. You know, Siddhivinayak always performs such magics.
Dadaji, why are you always telling me about the miracle of Siddhivinayak? What is the real story and where does it come from?
Now my little hero wants to know about the real hero, huh? Take a seat. I shall tell you. See, Siddhivinayak is the most powerful god.
And Batman also.
Yes, he is more powerful than all your superheroes put together. He can grant any wish. Any wish, as long as it doesn't harm anyone else. He has the combined powers of Brahma to create, Shiva to destroy evil, and Vishnu to preserve good. And you know why?
Why?
Because he is son of Shiva. He is married to 2 daughters of Brahma, and he is a friend and helper to Vishnu when Vishnu had to traverse the world. Once Vishnu could not defeat these 2 deadly demons, Madhu and Kaitava. And you know why?
Why?
Because he did not pray to Siddhivinayaka before he started fighting him. But once he prayed to Siddhivinayaka, he could find a simple way of defeating them, simply by begging them to give him the powers to defeat them. Hello, Madhvi. You look very down. How was the office today?
It was okay, Daddy. Lots of work.
Oh, she's so boring. Always working or fighting with Papa.
Go and have your bath quickly and then do your homework quickly before dinner.
Come on, let us run. Run as if you are running between the wickets. Let us see who wins.
How difficult. Here I am, still pining for a love that I gave up because of his disloyalty. Now he says that he loves only me and that what happened then was just an infatuation. He writes so beautifully. The taste that I long for is the love that I lost. The woman that I love. The woman that I crave for. Is the one that I cheated and walked away from. This is the sum of our lives. And yet, I I can never see him again. Even though Suresh is so flirtatious with other women.